Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this Alfa Romeo Stelvio, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change the engine air filter. So let's get started. This is the air filter we're gonna use. I'm gonna leave the link down below here in the description if you want to get the same spare part. The air filter is located right here. What we gotta do is to take off this cover. To do so, we're gonna take off the bolts around. So this one's supposed to have one screw right here, but it doesn't have it. Same on this side, it has one, and here it's supposed to have the second one. It seems that in a previous maintenance they didn't put it back. We're gonna proceed. All right, this is a number 8 socket wrench. Let's disconnect the sensor. Underneath you will see like a red tag right here, so we just gotta pull it out and then we can just disconnect the sensor. So now let's release this clamp right here. It's clean, which is a good signal. No dust is coming in. Let's take off the oil filter. Okay, so let's clean a little bit as much as you can. The leaves, the dust you see, it's good. Let's get the new filter. It's the same. Same pretty much. Let's put it on. Make sure you set it totally and evenly. To put back this door, you want to make sure these little legs enter into those slots and lock it in place. Now the second one right here. I found one of the screws that were missing. I found it underneath the engine. That's good. I'm gonna put it in this side, this corner right here. Tight the clamp, make sure it's tight in it. Now let's connect back the sensor right here. Make sure it's all the way in and click back the red tag. And this is it guys, this is how you change the air filter in this Alfa Romeo Stelvio 2018. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. As always, thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.